Feeding a family on a budget, the $1 meal challenge. Did you know that the average family of 4 spends hundreds of dollars on groceries each month? That's a big chunk of change. Now, imagine feeding your family delicious, nutritious meals for just $1 per serving. It might sound impossible, but with a little planning and some clever cooking, it's totally doable. In this essay, we're going to unlock the secrets of $1 meal prep, a game changer for busy parents everywhere. Get ready to say goodbye to expensive takeout and hello to budget-friendly meals that don't compromise on taste or nutrition. Meal prep power, reclaiming time and money. Life gets hectic, and for busy parents, finding the time and energy to cook healthy meals can feel like mission impossible. That's where meal prepping comes in. By setting aside a little time each week to plan and prep your meals in advance, you can reclaim your evenings and weekends while keeping your family fueled and happy. Imagine opening your fridge to find a week's worth of delicious, ready-to-go meals. No more last-minute dashes to the grocery store or scrambling to throw something together after a long day. Meal prep is a gift to your future self, saving you time, money, and stress. The struggle is real, why affordable family meals feel impossible. Let's face it, feeding a family on a budget can feel like a constant battle. The cost of groceries seems to rise every day, and finding the time to cook with a busy schedule can feel impossible. It's no wonder so many parents resign themselves to expensive takeout or unhealthy convenience foods. But it doesn't have to be this way. By adopting a few simple strategies, you can take control of your family's food budget and start enjoying delicious, nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Section 4. Simple strategies for success planning, shopping, and cooking smart. The key to affordable meal prep is planning. Before you even step foot in the grocery store, take some time to map out your meals for the week. Look for recipes that use inexpensive pantry staples like beans, rice, and oats, and take advantage of seasonal produce for the best deals. When you're shopping, resist the urge to impulse buy. Stick to your list and don't be afraid to compare prices and look for discounts. And when it comes to cooking, keep it simple. One-pot meals, sheet pan dinners, and slow cooker recipes are all great options for busy families. Section 5. The $1 meal in action. A delicious and nutritious recipe. Ready to see the magic of $1 meal prep in action? Let's whip up a batch of hearty lentil and vegetable stew, a recipe that's as kind to your wallet as it is to your taste buds. You'll need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup brown lentils minced, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 14.5 ounce can diced tomatoes undrained, and 1 cup frozen mixed vegetables. Instructions. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the onion, carrots, and celery and cook until soft, about 5 minutes. Stir in the thyme, salt, and pepper. Add the lentils, broth, tomatoes, and frozen vegetables. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 30 minutes or until the lentils are tender. This recipe makes 6 generous servings, making it the perfect budget-friendly meal for families. Now that you've seen how easy and affordable it is to make a delicious and nutritious meal for just $1 per serving, it's time to take action. By planning, shopping smart, and cooking with intention, you can reclaim both your time and your money while providing wholesome meals for your family. Pause to S. If you found this video helpful, please press the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly meal ideas, and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can make affordable, healthy eating a reality for everyone. Pause 2S. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Pause 3S.